Piedmont of North Carolina. Eastern Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina. Southeastern Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina. Until 7. 6:42 p.m. Eastern. The thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of uptown Charlotte, or near Charlotte Douglas Airport, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Huntersville, Central Charlotte, Southwest Charlotte, Northeast Charlotte, Northwest Charlotte, Cornelius, Mount Holly, Davidson, Belmont, and Clemerton. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Gaston, Lincoln, and Mecklenburg.
Don't miss the halo effect. Tonight at 8,